Hello, everybody. After graduating from the School of Mines, I took a job as a research assistant at the Bureau of Mines. The group I was assigned to was using geophysics to predict catastrophic rock failure in coal mines and hard rock mines. We would set up geophone arrays and locate the cracking of rocks in the supporting lode areas where the mining was happening. My first assignment, I was sent down to a Longwall coal mine in Colorado. It was like going back in time 100 years. Longwall mining with a giant machine slicing a large coal seam underground. Constantly controlled roof collapse, very dangerous. They were also running into pockets of methane gas that they were constantly monitoring for. The hard rock mine was a lot easier. The data was much cleaner, and predicting problem areas was more obvious and easily mitigated. The Longwall coal mine eventually hit a large pocket of gas and blew up. Putting out a large fire in a coal mine is very difficult. Unlimited fuel. You have to seal it and cut off the oxygen and stop the burning. The hard rock mine was in Coeur d'Alene, Idaho, where Hans and Franz from my last story visited the town brothel. Another coincidence. I was working back in Denver, and the government bought a bunch of compact personal computers with hard drives, monitors, and printers. I immediately saw the possibilities and started programming with DOS Basic, using all the graphic abilities. I wrote a program to display our data in 3D and the ability to rotate the data to any viewpoint. It had never been done there for some reason. I wrote a research paper about what I did displaying 3D research data and found someone to publish it. I asked permission, and my boss, PhD in charge, said no. I published it anyway. I was let go. A year later, I checked back with somebody that was still working there. They said my paper helped start a whole new research group that studied, controlled, and stored all kinds of 3D data. Talk to you later.